Hello friends, welcome to my video. Today we will learn about colors. Colors in Spanish. So first of all, we will see what is color. Color is written as C-O-L-O-R, color. Color. We say in English it is color and in Spanish we say color. And colors are called los colores, means the colors. So black is negro, white, blanco, red, rojo, pink, rosa, blue, azul, yellow, amarillo, brown, café or marrón, green, verde, orange, naranja, gray, gris, purple, morado, silver, plata, gold, dorado, turquoise, turquesa, maroon, marron, crimson, carmesí, violet, violeta, burgundy, burgunia. Then light green, verde claro. So here green is verde and light green, lighter shade of green. So for light we write claro, verde claro. Deep blue, blue is azul, and for deep we write intenso. Azul intenso means deep blue. Similarly, for dark blue we write azul oscuro. Oscuro means dark. Here we can see for deep we write intenso. For dark we write oscuro. For dull, apagado. Dull black means negro apagado, dull black. Pastel. Pastel is pastel. Warm, cálido, cool, frío, bright, brillante, bright yellow, amarillo, amarillo, brillante. Then colorful. Colorful is colorido, multicolored, multicolor, colorless, incoloro, black and white, negro y blanco. Here E stands for and, black and white, negro y blanco. Then grayscale, which is escala de grises. Escala means scale, the scale of gray or grayscale. Escala de grises. Gris for gray color, you can see here. So grayscale is escala de grises. So that's all for today's video. See you next time.